We have modified this with the help of the Steamax Private Limited with the Astillas with the replacement of the furnace oil. We are getting around 40% of cost saving compared to the previous one, that is the furnace oil. Hi, this is Venkatesh. I am the boiler in charge of UltraTech Cement Limited, Building Products Division, Hyderabad. Actually, we are using the furnace oil as the raw material for our boiler, and we have modified this with the help of the Steamax Private Limited with the Astillas with the replacement of the furnace oil. We have successfully modified, and this was given. We have more benefits in the cost saving. Mainly we are observing from the last 2-3 days. Further we have to observe more. Nearly we are getting around 40% of cost saving compared to the previous one, that is the furnace oil.
The Steamax has helped us to remain in the market with a drastic cost reduction by use of biomass. So we have decided to go for a biomass fuel use in our boiler, which is exclusively supplied by the Steamax, and the project was successfully commissioned, and now the effect of the cost reduction initiatives are in process. The fuel which we are using after the conversion is Astillas, which is quite effective